Have you ever wondered why the neighbor with the faded sedan and the plain t-shirt somehow buys the house next door for cash or slips away for a 3-week vacation without a single Instagram brag? The richest people often hide in plain sight because they use a handful of quiet money hacks that multiply their salary while everyone else is busy looking rich instead of getting rich. By the end of this video, you'll have 13 of those hacks. Each one easy enough to start tonight and subtle enough that almost nobody will notice what you're doing until they start asking how you stay so calm when life throws big bills. In particular, the 9th hack is the one that can make you rich so quickly that you won't even have time to tell anyone else if you wanted to. Hack 1 is stealth wealth. Deciding right now that impressing strangers is less important than buying your own freedom. When a coworker shows off a new watch and asks what you drive, simply say it runs and smile. Skip the urge to match their purchase and funnel the difference into an asset. A friend of mine kept his 12-year-old Corolla even after a promotion. The payments he never made turned into $15,000 of index funds within 3 years. No one clapped when he parked, but everyone gasped when he moved into a larger house. Debt-free. Hack 2 is automatic transfers. The day your paycheck hits a fixed slice, maybe 10% now, 15% later, zips out to a separate account before you see it. I set mine for Saturday morning. By the time I check balances at breakfast, the money is gone and temptation never starts. One teacher I know sends $50 every Friday to her brokerage. She jokes that she can't remember her login, and that's the point. Spending what you never see is almost impossible. Hack 3 turns those automatic dollars into low-cost index funds. Instead of guessing which tech rocket will win, you buy a tiny share of the entire market. The S&P 500 has averaged close to 10% over many decades. If you drop just $25 a week into a broad fund back in 2013, you'd be sitting on over 20 grand a day, even after the recent ups and downs. That's the price of 2 large pizzas a week turned into half a sedan with no stock picking at all. Hack 4 is Windfall discipline. Tax refund, birthday envelope, small bonus. Treat every unexpected dollar like rocket fuel. A nurse I spoke with last month received a $900 bonus for perfect attendance. She immediately used it to kill the last bit of 19% credit card balance, saving more than $100 in interest she would have paid over the year. Another colleague took a mini inheritance, bought shares of a dividend fund, and now sees those shares spin off $40 every quarter, enough to cover her internet bill without lifting a finger. Hack 5 fights lifestyle creep. Every raise goes mostly to assets, not upgrades. A graphic designer I mentor kept living with a roommate for 2 extra years after a big promotion. The $500 a month she didn't spend on a solo apartment went into a real estate investment trust. By the time she finally moved, her REIT dividends nearly covered the new rent, making the upgrade painless. Freeze your lifestyle for just 1 year after each raise and watch how fast the surplus piles up. Hack 6 multiplies income streams. One source of money is balancing on one leg. 2 or 3 are walking steadily. A security guard in my building edits podcast transcripts on Sundays. He banks an extra $200 a month. Money that slides straight into Vanguard without ever hitting his main checking account in 5 years. That side gig alone can build a $50,000 cushion. Pick something that scales quietly: proofreading. Rent a room, print on demand art, digital course templates. Anything that can earn while your main job marches on. Hack 7 is buying privacy with your assets hold rental property or an e-commerce shop inside an LLC with a bland name like Oak Street Holdings. When public databases list ownership, they show the company, not you. A friend who owns 3 rentals gets 0 dinner invitations from distant cousins asking for a quick loan because no one realizes the houses belong to her. She keeps Thanksgiving peaceful and her tenant checks flowing. Hack 8 is mastering tax shelters. Contribute to a 401k or traditional IRA, and you knock taxable income down while letting growth marinate. Tax deferred. A colleague earning $60,000 shifted $6,000 into a pre-tax retirement plan, immediately saving about $1,200 in federal taxes. He then used a refund to open a Roth IRA. Attacking both ends of the tax timeline in one move. Small tweaks. Keep thousands out of the IRS pipeline and inside your compounding machine. Hack 9 is radical consistency. Wealth usually arrives inch by inch, not gulp by gulp. An acquaintance started investing in 2006, held through the 2008 collapse, and kept automatic buys humming. Friends called her crazy. Her balance called them back 10 years later, having doubled twice. She didn't flinch at headlines. She trusted direct deposit. Promise yourself you will keep contributing. Whether market saw or sink future, you will send a thank you card. Hack 10 is harnessing time early. Compound interest rewards a starter more than the size. If you invest $50 a week from age 22, while your twin waits until 32, and then doubles your weekly amount, you still finish ahead. A college intern put $20 a week into a Roth IRA at 19. At that pace and an average 8% return, she's on track for nearly $1 million by normal retirement age, all from skipping one fancy coffee per day. Hack 11 is keeping cash as both parachutes and cannon. 1 month of bare-bones expenses in a high-yield account prevents panic selling when your tire blows. Bump that to 3 months when possible. I had a water heater explode in 2020. The $1,000 repair never touched my stocks because I simply used the cash buffer, then refilled it over a few paychecks when markets tanked that same spring. The buffer also let me scoop up bargain shares while social media screamed. Doomsday Hack 12 is curating your circle. Carefully sit with people who brainstorm side hustles and share podcast recommendations about compounding. Avoid circles that gossip about who bought the latest phone. A monthly coffee with 2 coworkers who love personal finance books has pushed me farther than any paid seminar. Conversations become norms. Normalize stealth wealth and you'll follow through. Hack 13 is anonymous. Generosity: quietly pay for the next car's meal at the drive-thru or slip a grocery gift card to a family in need. When you give without fanfare, you train your mind that money is a tool, not a trophy. Generosity releases the fear that makes people overspend just to feel worthy. Plus, giving in secret protects your low profile. No big checks on social media, no photo ops, only the glow of helping and the motive to keep building so you can help. Again, thread all 13 hacks into daily life, and you become the wealth ninja on the block. Same hoodie, same car, but financial statement that grows like ivy behind the scenes. Your treats, concert tickets, weekend trips come from investment income, not paycheck stretches while neighbors chase the next shiny gadget. You collect silent profit shares while they refresh, like you refresh dividend payments. Over time, people will notice your calm. First, how you shrug at surprise expenses, how you offer to cover dinner without hesitation. Some will assume you got lucky. You'll know luck had little to do with it. Set things in motion tonight. Log into payroll and carve out an auto transfer. You can live with open or feed a broad index fund. Kill one piece of high interest debt. Jot a note that reads, invest before spending compound, before bragging freedom, before flash and tape it to the bathroom mirror. Count every unposted luxury as another step toward invisibly growing wealth. The hacks are easy. The tools are free and attention from others is optional. Quiet money rarely shouts yet. It speaks loudest when it buys you choices. The noisy spenders never imagined. And the first choice you can make right now to get closer to wealth is to subscribe to this channel. Let me know your plan of action in the comments. And if you liked the video, like it for more future content. And I'll see you soon.